Hi, I am Kaushik. If you are a C# or .NET developer looking to move into data science, this is the right place for you to come because this is designed specifically for you. Most Python courses on Udemy I've seen, they start from scratch, but they don't connect with what you already know. And that creates friction and slows down your learning. So I built this course to bridge that gap. We take what you already know, LINQ, collections, loops, and structured thinking, and map those concepts directly into Python and data science workflows. We start with Python fundamentals, but always from a C# perspective because I've given you C# code side by side wherever possible with the relevant Python equivalent. Then we move into core data structures, file handling, and real data processing. From there, you will work with NumPy and pandas to analyze datasets and visualizations using matplotlib and seaborn. This is a fully hands-on course. You will be working on Jupyter Notebooks, writing code and running examples, and build practical real-life solutions at every step. You won't just watch, you will do it yourself, hands-on. Throughout the course, I have included a wide variety of exercises from concept-based quizzes to real coding assignments to practical data transformation tasks that reflect real-world scenarios. For example, you'll take raw and messy data, clean it, transform it, and extract meaningful insights using concise Pythonic approaches. And finally, you will build your first machine learning model so you can see how everything connects together. And by the end of this course, you won't just understand Python, you will confidently use it to data science applications without any friction and smoothly. So I will see you on board